Alumilite Clear Slow is a crystal clear urethane casting and turning resin, mixed 1:1 by weight, with a 12-minute work time and a 4-hour demold time. Alumilite Clear Slow is specially made to produce crystal clear castings for wood turning, prototyping, auto restoration, cosplay, and other applications where clarity is paramount but extra work time is needed. Measure out equal parts of side A and side B by weight, mixing thoroughly to combine both sides. Add color with dyes and powders to create unique, custom pieces. Pour Alumilite Clear into your mold within the work time to ensure a good casting. We recommend slowly mixing to avoid introducing air into the mixture, or using a pressure pot to ensure bubble-free casting. Alumilite Clear Slow is ready to demold in 4 hours and is fully cured in 5 to 7 days.